if your AI model could run directly on a tiny device without depending on the cloud? In this practical lab, we'll build and deploy a real edge AI model using Google Colab and TensorFlow Lite. Traditional AI sends data to cloud servers for processing. Edge AI performs computations directly on local devices, reducing latency, improving privacy, and enabling instant decision-making. We'll use Google Colab because it provides a free cloud-based environment with GPU acceleration, making AI model training easy and accessible. First, we install TensorFlow for building neural networks and OpenCV for image processing tasks. Now we import the essential Python libraries required for data processing, visualization, and neural network training. We'll use the MNIST dataset, one of the most popular datasets for machine learning, containing thousands of handwritten digit images. Next, we normalize and reshape the dataset so the convolutional neural network can efficiently learn image patterns. Our convolutional neural network learns visual patterns through multiple layers, enabling accurate handwritten digit classification. During training, the neural network continuously improves its understanding of handwritten digits by adjusting internal parameters. After training, we save the model so it can later be deployed on edge devices. Now the trained model performs inference locally, simulating how edge AI devices process data in real time without relying on cloud servers. TensorFlow Lite converts our model into a lightweight version, optimized for edge hardware with lower power consumption and faster performance. Edge AI is transforming industries through intelligent, real-time processing in healthcare, automation, smart cities, surveillance, and autonomous systems. Congratulations! You've successfully trained and optimized your first Edge AI model. In the next lab, we'll deploy this model on real edge hardware like Raspberry Pi.